Hey there, I'm Judy Croon. Welcome to another episode of Laugh Long and Prosper. Today is Monday. That means just another Mindful Monday. And Mindful Monday presents top 5 Buddha back tips for a calmer, sharper you. This is science-backed and soul-approved. Tip number 5 from Buddha back tips for a calmer, sharper you. Declutter one thing today. Your mess is messing with you. Clutter spikes cortisol by 15%. Here's a tip. Clear one thing: your desk, your purse, your inbox, or even your desktop background. It's not about becoming a minimalist. It's about creating space for peace. Tip number 4, eat like a monk, not a Muppet. Mindful eating boosts nutrient absorption by 30% and cuts binging by 75%. Here's a tip. Before you eat, pause and ask, am I truly hungry or am I just bored and or stressed? Then chew slowly. Your body's whispering answers. Just listen between the bites. Tip number 3, breathe in, step out, chill hard. Every slow breath is a rep for your nervous system. Add nature and it's a double win. Green space lowers cortisol by 21%, and people who live near that green space, they're 30% less likely to experience depression. Now, if you don't have a forest nearby, no problem. A park, a balcony garden, or a tree-lined street still counts. Step outside, take one mindful breath, and let the natural world work its magic. Tip number 2, flex your gratitude muscle. Gratitude isn't fluff. It actually rewires your brain. Statistically, according to a Harvard study, optimists live up to 15 years longer. Each morning, name one thing you're grateful for. Yes, coffee counts. Consistency turns gratitude into a mindset, not a moment. And finally, tip number 1, stillness is your superpower. Just 10 minutes of daily meditation can shrink your amygdala, the stress center in your brain, and grow your prefrontal cortex. That's the area where focus and emotional control are. So here's the tip. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, and then exhale for 6 seconds. This activates your vagus nerve, calming your system like a built-in spa. Final thoughts this Mindful Monday. You don't need a robe or a mountain to be mindful. One breath, one bite, one decluttered drawer. That's the practice. As the Buddha said, what you think you become, what you feel you attract, what you imagine you create. Until next time, folks, I'm Judy Croon. Laugh long and prosper.